hated me. I remember. Help! Can anyone hear me? I wanna go home. No.
Hey, chamaco. It's okay. It's okay.
I told them I didn't care.
You know, I wrote her a song once. We used to sing it every night.
Remember me. Don't let it make you cry. For even if I hold you in my heart.
What's wrong, Mika?
Nothing.